Liqui Moly engine flush. In every car, the motor oil and oil filters need to be changed at certain intervals. There are good reasons for this. Thermal and mechanical loads can make every motor oil eventually look tired. Lubricity decreases and contamination increases, so it needs to be gotten out of the engine. And what's left? Service professionals know this. That's why they recommend Liqui Moly engine flush before the oil change. It's just added to the old motor oil at operating temperature. While the engine is idled for 10 minutes, oil-soluble and oil-insoluble residues of all kinds are brought into suspension and subsequently removed along with the old oil. The result? Everything's clean. The fresh oil can now be fully effective straight away. And it stays fresh longer too. Liqui Moly engine flush. Highly effective, tested with the best results for gasoline and diesel engines.
Liqui Moly injection cleaner is the cure for injection engines, which most modern cars are fitted with these days. Dirty nozzles cannot guarantee accurate injection. But even dirt on the intake and outlet valves disturbs the steady fuel flow. After the Liqui Moly injection cleaner has done its job, exact dosage and perfect atomization of the fuel is restored. The engine runs more smoothly and performance improves. Fuel consumption drops, and so does pollutant emission, all of which helps our environment. At Liqui Moly, it all started with this product 40 years ago. Today, it's still the runner. For physical reasons, there can never be an absolutely smooth metal surface. When examined under a microscope, every metal surface looks like the surface of the moon. Liqui Moly oil additive changes all that. The Liqui Moly oil additive smooths out inconsistencies in the metal surfaces of pistons and cylinders. That means less wear and tear, lower coefficient of friction, and an engine that runs quieter and smoother. It considerably decreases fuel consumption. Liqui Moly, for maintaining your vehicle's technical and optical value. All from a single supplier.